I wanted to show the Jolly Jingles kit by Queen & Co. I have a bunch of fun Christmas projects that I want to get going on. And this is going to be the first one I think that I'll do. I decided just to go ahead and skip on to Christmas, even though I have a bunch of fall things. But we all know we work on Christmas at this time of year. So this is just going to be showing what comes in the kit. So first of all, it always comes with a sheet that shows you what all's in it, some additional info on where you can find instruction videos. I love that this has a die guide, so it shows you what each of the dies you have to have are to make each of your pieces. So you have your nutcracker, your fireplace, your choo-choo train, your snowman, your presents, your little elf hat that is kind of an elf body. We have the Christmas tree, and then the ornament, and then there's also a bow, and it gives you instructions on the bow. So it comes with pad of paper, stamp set, and then all the dies and the shaker toppings. So let's pull those out and check those out. I did actually add, it doesn't come with this, but I ordered it and I put it in my envelope. So this is the outline die, and I just find it makes it a little easier for assembly when I go through and actually make the shakers. I will show you that. These are the dies that come with the kit. Look at all of these fun things. And one of the things I'm going to try this time, in the past, I immediately made the shakers, and I'm going to try just assembling them without shaker toppings, just to kind of see how they go and what the assembly looks like. And also it's just a fun reminder that you don't have to do them as shakers or with things inside. And then they have some fun accessories like the snowflake or the bow that even outside of these specific items you could use on another card. So that's fun. And then you can see how these match up as the outlines, like this hat. Here's his outline. So these are the ones that come with the set. This is an additional purchase, but it's an add-on, but I would highly recommend those. And then you always get the foam pieces. These are probably a little hard to see. Lighting makes it challenging. And also the clear tops that the acetate that you use with the shaker. And then all of your fun little shaker pieces. So these are some fun. There's kind of a crystal or clear little, they're like little beads. And then there's some green. Get a little more centered, I guess. And then there's some red. And this is a blue, but it's got a really pretty, almost a purple to it. And then this light purple. And then the sentiments, I always love Queen & Co. sentiments. They just stamp really clean and crisp. And they're usually just really pertinent to what you would actually want to use. Or at least that I do, because sometimes, you buy stamp sets and it's like, well, who would ever use that sentiment? And so I really love theirs. So may your Christmas be merry, bright, and filled with delight. That's a cute one. Hope this adds a special sparkle to your holidays. Happy holidays. Sending you a merry little wish for a special little elf. Have all the Christmas fun you can get away with. That's kind of fun. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care. Merry Christmas. Walking in a winter wonderland. Friesen's greetings. Not one that I probably will use that much, given I live in a pretty warm climate. We don't get snow. Let it snow. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Wishing you the joy, the warmth, the happiness that Christmas brings. A little something to make your Christmas merrier. Christmas is coming to town. Warmest wishes to you this season. A holiday hello, and wishing you a magical Christmas. So those are kind of fun. And then the last piece is this Jolly Jingles paper pad pack. And it's 6x6. There's 16 styles and 24 papers. So there's going to be 3 each of 8 double-sided papers. So we'll just kind of flip through these quickly. I love these dots. There's those 3. And then some more green. And it's got some fun kind of dots again. And then some snowflakes with these pink stripes. And we have little tiny words. Winter Wonderland, peace, fa la la. So just a bunch of Christmassy words. And on the other side are these pink dots. The fun thing with the double-sided is usually at least one of them I like. Where I actually don't like it is when I love both and I don't know which one to use. Here's some little Christmas trees. I love these aren't traditional colors. There's some gray and gray polka dots. And I actually have a bunch of gray cardstock. At some point I decided I really liked that. I have a bunch of it to use up, so I think I will use that with this. There's some stripes. And some other kind of diagonal stripes, like candy cane. And that's it for this pad and for the entire kit. So I'm going to actually do another video showing how I use these, but I wanted to go through and show you what you get in this. And I have a fun surprise. So in addition to this, I will be doing giveaways soon. So this one's not a Christmas, the giveaway is not going to be a Christmas kit. If you watched one of my other videos recently, you will know what it is. But watch for upcoming videos because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. And it will be a Queen & Co kit. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.